or rationalize, since I have no other explanation that I'm paying for some long gone past misdeeds. Even in an earlier life that I know nothing about nor remember, the oft-believed transmigration of the soul. I tend to look around and compare myself with others, although I well know that comparisons are dreadfully odious. We look at somebody and we say, oh, look at him, he's got a flashy car and he's got a beautiful wife, and look how young he is, and I'm getting old, and he's got more money than I have, which is the, what shall I say, the awful part of living today. Measure everything in terms of money.